How to add or remove the period key and the .com key in the keyboard email address input on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we scroll down. And from here, we go down and tap on General Management. Next, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. After that, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on Layout. Then go down to the email address input section and tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. So here we have the period key and the .com key. So if you want to turn off the period key, you can do so. If you want to turn off the .com key, you can also switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Here I will switch it on and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.